Oh my god. Oh, it's getting hard. I gotta mix it. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, yum. That's so good. Okay. Here goes. Oh. I mean, it really could have went without the charring, but you win some, you lose some. You win some, you dim some. What? Are you kidding me? And mustard. Okay. What should I try first? Okay, we'll try this one first. Ooh. Okay, and we're gonna go for a bite. So people are like, what's the point of you using the gloves if you're gonna touch the chopsticks? Well, hopefully I don't forget so I don't now, but you know, this is super greasy, so it is what it is, okay folks? I'm gonna see what's been really popular on YouTube. I'm gonna grab some of this. Cheers.
I have to watch this.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
That's wild.
Let's do this. God. Okay. First I'm gonna dip into the soy sauce.
Already side down.